Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things beauty and skincare. Today, we're diving into a product that's been making waves in the skincare community, the DearKlairs Midnight Blue Calming Cream. If you're in search of the best night cream for whitening available in the market, you're in for a treat. Let's start by exploring what sets this cream apart from the rest. With its gentle yet powerful formula, the DearKlairs Midnight Blue Calming Cream is designed specifically for those with oily, troubled, and sensitive skin. It's not just your ordinary night cream, it's a skincare savior. What makes this cream stand out is its key ingredients: guaiacol and centella asiatica extract. Guaiacol, derived from chamomile oil, lends the cream its distinctive blue hue and offers powerful calming properties. Meanwhile, centella asiatica extract helps to heal damaged skin and reduce redness, leaving your skin looking and feeling rejuvenated. But don't just take our word for it. Let's see what users have to say. Customers rave about the cream's ability to soothe sensitive skin, alleviate redness, and improve overall skin texture. Whether you're dealing with environmental stressors, acne, or irritated skin, this cream has got you covered. Now, let's talk about application. Simply apply a small amount of the DearKlairs Midnight Blue Calming Cream to areas of sensitivity or irritation, and gently tap it in until fully absorbed. Its lightweight and fast-absorbing formula make it suitable for both daytime and nighttime use, providing a protective barrier without clogging pores. And the results speak for themselves. Customers love how this cream leaves their skin feeling hydrated, soothed, and visibly brighter. It's like a calming oasis for your skin, providing relief from irritation and stress while promoting a more even complexion. So, if you're in need of a reliable solution to calm and rejuvenate your skin, look no further than the DearKlairs Midnight Blue Calming Cream. With its gentle yet effective formula, it's no wonder why this cream has become a holy grail product for so many. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare reviews and recommendations. Until next time, stay beautiful.